Good afternoon everyone, so welcome back to Franco's channel. So hello, my name is Jotina. I hope you know me well. So I'm your host for today. So here we are shooting today. So let's meet our crew. Here are our crew and I will be hosting and I will be telling you right now what we are doing. So we are in this place called, what's this place? Pyngngad, yeah. We are in Pyngngad and here's the actor Franco. Very pretty, yeah. You can see it. Let me show you. Here's the location. Let me show you. Kado kue lang ikta la hello location. La hello Pyngngad adim lo laki Meghalaya long lo and lapen lang ikta kon lo lang mesen. Adim lang mesen. La hello location and actress anak sido. Apen actor, apen choreographer, and here's the director, cameraman and the director. So over there, my brother. See, here's the location. So I hope you can see how pretty, how beautiful it is. And there's the actor and actress. So they're choreographing. They are telling the how. Hello again, it's me here again, your host for today. So I hope you will like my hosting and yeah, I hope you might like my dialogues. So well, it is not scripted. So yeah, they were practicing. Yeah, here where they practice and here where they were directing. So it's quite far from the place. So you can see. Litum take long bomik lo. Kuan lo ka hello. Tarik karo. Tarik bar bolo.
Red color में आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा.
So you guys, you can hear that. My brother is praising me. So how do you think, guys? Do I look good in red?
My name is Amrish Puri.
So let's meet Amrish Puri, the villain of Bollywood movie. So I will be the Sri Devi then.
Sri Devi.
Yeah. So hello guys, I am your Sri Devi for today. So right over there, you can see over there behind.
Today we are here Kashmir.
Yeah, we are here. Duplicate Kashmir. So well, it's very pretty. The locations over here is very good. So before it was raining, aprang ke arvi ke jang non ari nang wang po. That po, maybe. There will be, now it's a little bit sunny. Not sunny means there is like a hope that it might be sunny because before it was so rainy. It was so heavily raining. And right now, then it's a little bit like fine. Right now it's a little bit raining, but fine. We can at least shoot for today. At least we can get one clip for today. We were like hoping and praying that. Hopefully that we will get to shoot at least one clip. We'll get at least one clip there. We were praying because we have come so far. So our prayer is heard by our God. So yeah, today we are getting. So here they are shooting and hopefully we will get at least one clip. So yeah, it's going to be very hard for us because a little bit raining and it's disturbing a bit, but we are hopeful. So here's the actress. She's looking at the mirror. So yeah, finished, done. So yeah, there's the ship, guys. So yeah, guys, hello guys. You can see there's sheep right here in our location. Yeah, boy. She's afraid of sheep. See, hello guys. Let me introduce actress. She is scared of a sheep. Can you believe it? So yeah, welcome back again, my friends. So I think we have to pack up because it's raining again right now. it's going to be heavily raining, so we might not get to shoot again. So we'll wait for a few minutes or hours. But still, if it's like raining, then we have to pick up and we have to go home back. And right over there, our actress is laughing at me. So they are looking at our clip, and they might like, they might not like, but we have to just pick up and we have to go back if it's not stopping. The rain is if it will not stop. So yeah. So bye bye guys, and say bye.
Bye. Bye.
So, yeah. Hello guys, back to the channel. So yeah, right now we are waiting for rain. देखिए बारिश बहुत गिर रहा है. Then over there my brother, he is acting. So yeah, थोड़ा बारिश ज़्यादा गिर रहा है. It's too much raining. So we are hiding inside an umbrella. And over here is the actress with the cameraman. Isn't she pretty?
Yes, she looks very beautiful and
Yeah.
pretty.
So say hi. Please introduce yourself once again. So yeah, please introduce yourself, Garo. Garo. So yeah, right now we are still shooting. It's like, I don't know what's the time right now. Let me see what's the time. Well, I don't know what's the time right now. So yeah, it's raining right now. You can see the weather. We are with umbrella and here with my brother. But still, like we can't stop. We have to. Non-nilitum shooting bomb lang. Arbi do. Arbi jang bomb lang. Once tanitum sang long le lang. Lapen nili ikepuhin. Si do. Covering. Umbrella away that but see lapen si cover lo lapen actress tum ke puhin si shooting bomb lang, practice bomb lang. Ang itum teglong iklobo lapen puhin ke nili tum director tum. Hai arbeta nang support pe lama kliik
Kalang.
an parkin.
Hello guys, em đang ở đây. Em chửi là. Terus bisa dan boleh bisa. Dan boleh. Dua taman deh. Place of heaven. Look like heaven. Lang hẹp đen rồi ngay. Lang besar. Run highway nang lingo deh.